Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to buy a TradingView subscription. First, head over to the official TradingView website. Once there, look for the pricing or plans section, usually found in the main navigation. This is where you'll see all the different subscription options available. Take a moment to compare the features of each plan carefully. This initial step is crucial to ensure you select the perfect plan that aligns with your specific trading needs and preferences. TradingView offers several distinct plans to cater to various user levels. The Essential plan is great for beginners, providing 1 chart per tab and 5 indicators. Moving up, the Plus plan offers 2 charts per tab and 4 indicators, along with enhanced features. For serious traders, the Premium plan is ideal, allowing 8 charts per tab and 25 indicators. Carefully consider your trading style and required tools to pick the plan that best supports your analytical journey. Stepping inside, both vehicles offer a blend of luxury and technology. The Stelvio Quadrifoglio provides an 8.8-inch infotainment touchscreen, along with 56.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. The Grecale Trofeo elevates the experience with a larger 12.3-inch central display and a separate 8.8-inch comfort screen. It also offers around 20 cubic feet of cargo volume behind the rear seats, ensuring practicality alongside its premium feel. Congratulations! Once your payment is processed, your TradingView subscription will be immediately active. You can then log into your account and instantly access all the powerful tools and features included in your chosen plan. Dive into the extensive charting capabilities, explore real-time market data, and engage with a vibrant community of traders. Your new subscription is ready to empower your trading analysis and decision-making with advanced insights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.